What's up mga ka-Wildy Boy? In this video, babahagi ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-apply ng trabaho bound to Canada na hindi dadaan sa agency. Ito ay 100% legit. Kinakailangan nyo lamang unawain kung ano yung nakapaloob sa video na ito. Ito ay para sa mga kababayan kong skilled workers. Ikaw ba ay nasa Pilipinas o nasa ibang panig ng mundo at ikaw ay nangangarap makapagtrabaho dito sa bansa Canada? What's up mga ka-Wildy Boy? So meron lang akong babahagi sa inyo mga kababayan na isang job opportunity papunta sa bansang Canada or mga job opportunities papunta sa bansang Canada. So sa mga hindi pa nakakalam mga ka-Wildy Boy, go to Google, then type ninyo canada.ca. So click nyo lang yan. Then pag nakita nyo tong page na to, may nakalagay the official website of the Government of Canada mga ka-Wildy Boy. Scroll down nyo. Meron kayong makikita dyan, jobs, immigration and citizenship, travel and tourism, business and industry, benefits, health, taxes, environment and natural resources, national security and defense, culture, history and sport, policing, justice and emergencies, transport and infrastructure, at kung ano-ano pa. So, ang babahagi ko sa inyo mga ka-Wildy Boy ay ang mga trabaho papunta sa bansang Canada na pwedeng nyong applyan, especially sa mga skilled workers. So, nakaka-indicate dito, click nyo itong may nakalagay na immigration and citizenship, may nakalagay na visit, work, study, immigrate, refugees, permanent residents, apply, check status. So, click nyo yung may nakalagay na immigration and citizenship. Nakalagay dyan mga ka-Wildy Boy. Apply to travel, study, work, or immigrate to Canada. Apply for citizenship, a permanent resident card, or refugee protection. Check the status of your application or find a form. Then, scroll down nyo lang mga ka-Wildy Boy. Then, i-click nyo yung may nakalagay na immigrate. Okay, so nakalagay dyan, how to immigrate to Canada through one of our permanent residence programs for skilled workers, family, entrepreneurs, and more. Then meron kayong makikita dito, express entry, immigrate as a skilled worker, provincial nominees, immigrate by being nominated by a Canadian province or territory, family sponsorship, sponsor your relatives, including your spouse, partner, children, parents, grandparents, and other to immigrate to Canada. Then, para sa mga caregivers, immigrate by providing care for children, the elderly, or those with medical needs or work as a live-in caregiver. Atlantic Immigration Program, Agri-Food Pilot Program. Naka-indicate sa baba mga ka-Wildy Boy, post or closed programs, yung self-employed, Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, close na siya. And then yung Temporary Resident to Permanent Resident Pathway. Nakalagay dyan, the Temporary Resident to Permanent Resident Pathway is a limited time pathway to permanent residence. It is for certain temporary residents who are currently working in Canada and their families. So, ang pinaprioritize ng mga ka-Wildy Boy, yung mga currently working in Canada and their families. Yung mga temporary residents mga kabayan na nandito na sa bansang Canada, regardless kung saang province man yan. Now, balik tayo sa taas mga ka-Wildy Boy. I-click nyo lang ito mga kabayan para makita nyo yung mga detalye, like express entry. So, naka-indicate dyan, the application process for skilled immigrants who want to settle in Canada permanently and take part of in our economy. Nakalagay dyan, how express entry works. Kiklik nyo lang yan mga kabayan Then, nakalagay dito, yung mga details. There are 3 immigration programs managed through express entry, Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program. Click nyo lang yung mga detalye. For skilled workers with eligible Canadian work experience must have been gained in the 3 years before you apply. Sa Federal Skilled Worker Program naman, for skilled workers with foreign or Canadian work experience must meet criteria for education and other factors. More about the Federal Skilled Worker Program. Kiklik nyo lang ito mga ka-Wildy Boy for more details. And lastly, Federal Skilled Trades Program for skilled workers who are qualified in a skilled trade must have a job offer or a certificate of qualification. Then may nakalagay din dito, Provincial Nominee Program. If you're eligible for one of the above programs, you can also apply through express entry for the Provincial Nominee Program. If you're nominated, you'll get extra points so you can be invited to apply quickly. Then nandyan yung mga details, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Babasahin nyo lang yan mga ka-Wildy Boy. So isa yan sa mga pamamaraan express entry. And then, may 3 programa kayong pwedeng applyan. So, dito lang kayo mamimili mga ka-Wildy Boy sa mga skilled workers. Ito yung mga para sa mga from outside Canada for skilled workers with foreign or Canadian work experience. So, kinakailangan nyo lang ma-meet yung criteria. Then, i-click nyo to. Okay, i-click nyo yan. Lalabas yung mga detalye. Nandyan yung mga eligibility requirements na dapat ninyong i-provide. Minimum requirements, skilled work experience, language ability, education, selection factors, proof of funds, admissibility, where you can live in Canada. Then, next steps. Sunod-sunod lang yan mga kabayan ha. Basahin yung maigi ang mga naka-indicate na mga information, mga details, eligibility requirements. Meron yung IELTS mga kabayan ha. Pero, mababa lang mga kabayan ha. Para sa mga skilled workers, kapag Canadian language benchmark mga ka-Wildy if CELPIP, 4.0 in all categories. Kapag IELTS naman, 3.5 sa reading, 4.5 listening, 4.0 speaking, and 4.0 in writing. So, ganun lang mga kabayan ha. Kailangan nyo lang basahin ng mabuti yung mga detalye dito. And then, tignan nyo naman yung ibang mga programa. Provincial nominees, kagaya ng binanggit ko kanina. Nakalagay dyan, the provincial nominee program is for workers who have the skills, education, and work experience to contribute to the economy of a specific province or territory. Want to live in that province or territory. Want to become permanent residents of Canada. Each province and territory has its own streams, immigration programs that target certain groups and requirements. So, nakalagay dito, for example, in a program stream, provinces and territories may target students, business people, skilled workers, semi-skilled workers. So, nakalagay din dito yung mga details mga kabayan ha. Express entry process, non-express entry process, check your eligibility, get a nomination, and then nakalagay dyan, if you get a nomination, update your express entry profile. So, gagawa rin kayo ng profile dito mga kabayan. So, yun. Kailangan nyo lamang intindihin yung mga nakalagay dito mga kabayan ha. Isa ito sa mga pamamaraan para kayo ay makapag-apply ng trabaho bound to Canada. And then, para naman sa mga caregivers natin kababayan na nasa Pilipinas at nasa ibang panig ng mundo, pwede kayo dito mag-apply. But unfortunately, for now, close yung mga program na ito or yung mga pilot program na ito mga kabayan na for home child care provider pilot and home support worker pilot, close siya. So nag-last day siya noong June 17, 2024. Kinakailangan nyo lang antabayanan ito mga kabayan na kung kailan uli sila mag-open. Live-in caregiver program, close. Caring for children pilot, close. Then caring for people with high medical needs pilot. So close siya. And then yung interim pathway for caregivers program. Kagaya ng binanggit ko, kinakailangan nyo lang hintayin kung kailan uli ito mag-o-open mga kabayan na. Ang kagandahan nito, maaari agad kayo maging permanent resident mga kabayan na as long as kayo ay belong sa healthcare service na trabaho mga ka-Wildy Boy. Naka-indicate dyan, no? As a caregiver, you can come to Canada to become a permanent resident or work temporarily. So, ang option ninyo, maaari kayo magtrabaho temporarily or maging permanent resident mga kabayan na. So, yun. Meron din ditong Atlantic Immigration Program. Click nyo lang rin yan. So, nakalagay dito mga ka-Wildy Boy, the Atlantic Immigration Program is a pathway to permanent residence for skilled workers and international graduates from a Canadian institution who want to work and live in one of Canada's 4 Atlantic provinces, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, or Newfoundland and Labrador. The program helps employers hire qualified candidates for jobs they haven't been able to fill locally. Babasahin nyo lang rin mga ka-Wildy Boy yung mga details dito. Start your application, start your temporary work permit application. I-click nyo lang yan mga kabayan ha. Again, isa yan sa mga pamamaraan na maaari ninyong gawin para kayo ay makapag-apply ng trabaho. And you'll never know, maaari kayong matanggap ng employer mga kabayan ha. And then lastly, itong Agri-Food Pilot Program. So click nyo lang rin yan. So nakalagay dito Agri-Food Pilot. The Agri-Food Pilot helps address the labor needs of the Canadian agri-food sector. The pilot provides a pathway to permanent residence for experienced non-seasonal workers in specific industries with specific occupations. So nakalagay din dito yung mga eligibility requirements on how to apply, who can apply, eligible industries and occupations. I-click nyo lang lahat yan mga kabayan ha. Same thing rin. I-click nyo yan. Nilalabas yung detalye. To be eligible, you must have an eligible job offer if you reside in Canada when you submit your application. Then, nandyan na lahat. Kinakailangan nyo lang sundan yan mga kabayan ha. So, yan mga ka-Wildy Boy. Pwede nyo subukan tong mga programa nito ng bansang Canada. Express Entry, Provincial Nomination Program, For caregivers, if ever open na sila, Atlantic Immigration Program, and then yung Agri-Food Pilot Program, mga kauliboy. So yun mga kauliboy, I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung video na ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga kababayan kong nangangarap makapagtrabaho sa bansang Canada. Kailangan nyo lang unawain kung ano yung mga eligibility requirements na nakapaloob sa mga programang ito. Nang sa ganun, maaari kayong maging qualified applicant, and you'll never know, maaari kayong makarating at makapagtrabaho dito sa isa sa mga provinces here in Canada. Okay mga kauliboy, I hope nagustuhan niyo yung video na ito. At syempre kung sakasakaling nakatulong sa inyo, don't forget to give a thumbs up. At kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe and click mo notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong job opportunities, buhay FW na aking na-upload. Isa lamang ito sa mga options na maaari ninyong gawin mga kabayan. Ito ay 100% legit. This is programs of the Government of Canada through Canada.ca mga kauliboy. At kinakailangan nyo lamang unawain at dapat ninyong i-provide yung mga eligibility requirements na hinihingi nila. Through express entry ka ba, provincial nominee program, agri-pilot program, or kung caregiver ka. Siyempre sa caregiver, naka-close pa yung mga program, pero kinakailangan nyo lang abangan mga kabayan. And then, kinakailangan nyo lang subukan lahat ng mga pamamaraan. So, isa lamang ito sa mga options. Like kung sinasabi sa inyo, any possibilities, subukan ninyo as long as legit. So, ganun lang mga kauliboy, sa lahat ng mga nangarap makapagtrabaho dito, like kung sinasabi, kinakailangan nyo kumilos at gagawa kayo ng paraan para magkaroon ng katuparan ninyong pangarap na makarating at makapagtrabaho dito sa bansang Canada. At syempre, dapat meron kayong tiwala sa sarili, sa may kapal at sa proseso mga kauliboy. So, ganun lang mga kabayan na. Ingat kayo palagi dyan sa Pilipinas at sa lahat ng mga kabayan kong OFW, saan mang panig ng mundo. Keep safe and God bless mga kauliboy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.